Bonjour! Welcome to my travel tips and hacks channel. This is Gradventure. This time we will travel to a delicious journey through the heart of France, where we explore the delectable pairing of cheese and wine. So travelers, are you ready? Let's begin! Pairing wine and cheese is a delightful experience, and France offers an incredible array of both. Here are some classic combinations. 1. Brie or Camembert with champagne. The creamy, mild flavors of Brie and Camembert complement the effervescence and acidity of champagne or other sparkling wines. The contrast between the richness of the cheese and the bubbly wine is exquisite. 2. Roquefort with Sauternes. Roquefort, a strong and tangy blue cheese, pairs wonderfully with Sauternes, a sweet dessert wine. The sweet and salty combination is a classic French pairing. 3. Comte with Chardonnay. The nutty and slightly sweet notes of Comte go beautifully with a good Chardonnay, especially one from Burgundy. The buttery texture of Chardonnay complements the cheese's creaminess. 4. Goat cheese with Sauvignon Blanc. Goat cheese, chèvre, has a tart and tangy flavor that pairs well with the crisp acidity of Sauvignon Blanc. This combination is refreshing and bright. 5. Munster with Gewürztraminer. The strong aroma and pungent flavor of Munster cheese harmonize with the fruity and slightly spicy characteristics of Gewürztraminer, a white wine from Alsace. 6. Camembert with Pinot Noir. Camembert, with its creamy texture and earthy flavor, goes hand in hand with the red berry notes and mild tannins of a Pinot Noir. This pairing is a classic for good reason. 7. Epicurean with Chablis. Epicurean is a strong-smelling, soft cheese with a savory and salty flavor. Pair it with a crisp and mineral Chablis to balance the richness of the cheese. 8. Saint-Nectaire with Beaujolais. The fruity and light character of Beaujolais, especially a Beaujolais Nouveau, complements the creamy and fruity Saint-Nectaire cheese. 9. Blue cheese. Example, Forme d'Ambert, with port. Rich blue cheeses like Forme d'Ambert match beautifully with the sweetness and complexity of port wine. The sweetness of the port contrasts with the strong, savory flavors of the cheese. As our flavorful journey through the exquisite world of French cheese and wine comes to a close, I hope this culinary adventure has ignited your passion for the finer things in life. Remember, the magic of France's cheese and wine is not just in the taste but in the stories they tell, the traditions they honor, and the memories they create. Thank you for joining me on this delectable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe on my travel tips and hacks. À la vôtre! Au revoir, and until next time.